Minasan, konnichiwa. Today I'll be teaching you just a very quick and short lesson about Deshou. So we use Deshou at the end of a sentence when we are making a guess or prediction, or if we're uncertain about something, and we use short form. Alright, so first example, Yuya-san wa seiji ga suki deshou. So seiji, politics. So Yuya-san wa seiji ga suki, and then we would usually just say desu, right? Suki desu, which would mean Yuya likes politics. But we're not really sure. We're kind of uncertain if he does. It seems like he does, but we don't want to 100% call it out. So that way we can just suki deshou. So think of it where the su would be for desu. Just drop the su and add shou. It's actually really not that complicated once you get the hang of it. Next example, Kanojo wa netsu ga aru deshou. So remember, we're keeping this in short form, right? That's why netsu ga aru, we keep it in its dictionary short form. So netsu ga aru deshou. And for those of you that don't know this kanji, it's netsu, to have a fever. You could also say netsu ga deru, to have a fever. There's two ways of saying that. Alright, another example. Kotoshi no fuyu, Tokyo de yuki ga furanai deshou. Which means it probably won't snow this winter in Tokyo, right? So in this example, we're kind of asking for clarification from who we're talking with. So kotoshi no fuyu, this year's winter. Tokyo de yuki ga furanai, to not snow. Furanai. Now we could just put a period here if we're pretty sure that it's not going to snow in Tokyo. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But since it's kind of a wild card, we definitely want to make that known that we're not 100% sure. So we just simply add deshou. And then there's another form of deshou that's a little more masculine, and that is daro. It actually has the same meaning, same connotation. There's no difference except for it just kind of gives it a little more masculine feel. Deshou sometimes can have more of a feminine feel, but overall it's pretty neutral. So, sono kutamono wa ringo daro. That fruit is probably an apple. So instead of just saying sono kutamono wa ringo da, we could just end it there, right, and put a period, because that's just short form, casual way of saying that fruit is an apple. But since we're not sure, it's just daro. And that just completes the sentence, adding that we're not sure. Probably, right? Probably. And that is all I have for you today on Deshou. Arigato.